Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Cats. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Remy Forte. We had a ball on our last review. I was stunned at the quality, the silkiness. I was so impressed with the last wig that I got sent from Remy Forte that I knew I needed to bring another. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 6x4 glueless, pre-plucked, pre-cut, ready to wear closure wig in the straight texture. This is a fresh out of the box install. I'm going to try this wig on for the first time. We'll see if we need any lace tint on the lace. So tell me you miss it. Like it doesn't need any lace tint. I'm going to go in with some powder that matches my skin tone to kind of clean up the knots.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, yeah.
Probably gonna do some sort of cut on this wig.
For the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she might. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you.
See how it's like fine like that? This wig does technically hit 24 inches. We're gonna have to cut her at least about here. But when you do a blunt cut, you're gonna definitely have to check your work, but you're gonna have to go in and point cut, okay? So point cutting is you take the hair and then you go in, just randomly point cut. That's going to break up some of those really like harsh lines.
Yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my man.
That instantly looks better than this, right? I know. Weak for your. And the good thing is you could just take it off your head and put it on a mannequin and double check your work.
Just wanna make you happy.
If you're gonna cut your wig on your head, keep your head as still as possible for the entire time you're cutting. Okay, I'm gonna cross check. I'm gonna hold my head straight. I'm gonna pull my hands down. So I'm gonna go on both sides, and whichever side ends first, that means that piece is shorter. So this side ended first, so this means I need to go in and cut some more of this one.
Yeah, turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl, too fine.
Let's do the point cutting. Really quickly, I'm gonna take this wig off because we can take it off. I'm gonna take it off and put it on the mannequin and then make sure that it is straight at the back. But this is what she's looking like right now. That's what we did. So I'm gonna make sure that it's straight all throughout, but I'm gonna put it on the mannequin head. And if you put it on the mannequin, tilt the mannequin, because when you put the wig straight, it's going to be even. And you can see where you need to cut. There will be a line. I'm combing the hair from the top down because that's going to create that perfect guideline. Turning the wig. Okay, and then remember we gotta go in and blunt cut. You can also use thinning shears for this step if you have thinning shears. This is what thinning shears look like. You can use this for this step too as well. You just gotta comb through the hair and just go 1, 2. Comb through the hair, snip 1, 2, and comb it out. That is how you fix your thinning wig to look full, soft, and bouncy. Now she's giving. This is some silky hair. Before, I don't know what it was giving. It was just not giving for me, but now it is. And I didn't do any baby hairs on this wig. I just left it very natural. One more time. It's very silky hair. It's just, we needed to get rid of those ends. I'm so glad that we did, because yeah, now it is very, very beautiful. And we cut her into a long bob and it is gorgeous. With that being said, if this is a wig that you're going to get and you really like this wig, say you like the softness of it and how it's giving, I would say get a 28 inch, because you can cut that off and it'll sit at 24, because that is what they sent me. I don't know if that's just what I got, but I'm going to give you guys a review based on the product that I received. You're gonna have to cut it for it to really live its best life, and once you do, you'll be thrilled, because look at her, she's beautiful. So if you're not like a length snob, then it's not a big deal. Personally, for me, I think that is an important factor when getting a wig and when reviewing the wig. I hope you guys can take what you can from it, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.